Up, up, and away. Waypoint mission. Go back to my house because I had to launch from the side of the house because the fucking guy next door is out back. I don't like anybody seeing me take off. So this is going up in the sky as I'm walking back in the house. Greeted by the dog. Okay. Everything seems to be working okay. See what's going on at this build. I'm mirroring on my TV, my computer screen as well, my Mac, which is pretty cool. Focus. Slowing me down a little bit being sluggish, but that's okay. Maybe I should turn the mirroring off. Oh no, it's alright. How cool is that?
1,900 feet distance, 14 miles per hour, 83% battery.
A little far away. Melanie, you want to go outside? Let the dog out. Come on. That's pretty far away. I'm going to turn off mirroring because I don't need it. Disconnected. Reconnected. Someone's texting me.
300 feet altitude, 1990 feet distance, 17 miles per hour, 79% battery.
I was thinking about taking off from the school today. I could have. There's nobody there. It's Saturday. I've been waiting to do this all day, but I kept been putting it off. Up in the air for 5 minutes. Battery level looks good. 75% connection. And this is literally probably
300 feet altitude, 910 feet distance, 17 miles per hour, 75% battery.
the furthest away it's going to be. If we hear that beeping, fucking guy behind me has an alarm that constantly goes off, and asked him, my daughter asked him about what it was. He doesn't know. So how can you not know what alarm is going off in your house? Clueless. He's out there playing in his garden. Soda. Got this mission planned out for a while. My daughter's in the other room working.
99 feet altitude, 2,090 feet distance, 17 miles per hour, 71% battery.
I'm in good shape. Camera's been running. 7 minutes. Keeping this flight pretty close. Do a couple orbits on this place. Got a choppy signal right now. Took off from the side of my house because I don't like people witnessing me flying.
300 feet altitude, 1,866 feet distance, 17 miles per hour, 67% battery.
Mainly because I don't want to be falsely accused of spying on people, which is the first thing they think when they see a drone. Oh, you're flying over my house and watching me. How about no? That's not what I'm doing. I could care less about you and your house. I'm checking my GPS to make sure that's properly functioning, which I know it is. Oh, my parcel was delivered. GoFo. Yeah, G. Yep, okay, that's a text of a scammer on my phone. I'm looking at a text I got on my phone. Now we're going to just take a little cruise around the hood.
299 feet altitude, 1,734 feet distance, 17 miles per hour, 63% battery.
What are you looking at? My daughter's here.
I'm just watching what you're doing.
Yeah, you want to fly?
I'll crash it.
Don't touch any buttons.
This is live.
Yeah,
Where is it?
it's in the sky.
I know, but where in the neighborhood?
It's on the end. This way. It's over there.
How do you not lose this thing?
Technology.
What's all these things down here?
Waypoints of my mission. It's a mission. I'm not. It's pre-programmed flight.
Oh. It's a
I don't
mission.
have to control it. Oh, there's his beep. He doesn't know what it is. He's out there digging.
Idiot.
I took off on the side of the house because I
299
didn't
feet
want him to see.
altitude,
Yeah.
1,267 feet distance, 17 miles per hour, 59% battery.
It's going pretty fast.
Yep. Sucks flying around here because I've seen everything 100. Look how many people have fences though, fenced in yards.
Yeah.
Just a lot of them. They all got the white ones.
They must be the cheap ones.
Well, they're composite plastic probably. We're the only place in the in the entire development that have pine trees. I'd rather have a fence personally,
The
but
previous owner put the trees in rather than a fence.
yeah,
He was a weirdo. He was very strange about privacy.
left a huge burden on us.
Yeah.
299 feet altitude, 749 feet distance,
Because now the
17 miles per hour,
Oh.
55% battery.
only way I could put a fence in is to tear down the fucking trees.
Yeah.
20 of them. Fucking idiot. Thanks for nothing, pal.
Was it cheaper to put trees in, or do you think he did it because they're taller?
I just wanted to be a fucking nature boy.
Yeah.
See, it's cool flying from the house because you can, be like this.
He doesn't hear that beeping?
He hears it. How could he not hear it?
Here comes Squirt. Hi, Squirt.
299 feet altitude, 951 feet distance, 17 miles per hour, 51% battery.
I think it's coming back, maybe. We'll see. Oh, that's going to school. It's going to go around this block. That's cool. This is kind of a nice area right here. It's not crowded. This whole area here is actually really nice. The west side of Salisbury. %50 battery. Picture's choppy. Go out to the window.
299 feet altitude. 2,483 feet distance. 17 miles per hour. 50% battery.
Which waypoint I'm at? Number 20. How many do I have? 26. Okay. I'm fighting with the picture because I can't see anything. Dude, seriously.
299 feet altitude. 2,189 feet distance. 17 miles per hour. 44% battery.
Place looks huge from here. The development. It is huge.
Lunchtime.
The girl is working. She works for Comcast, taking phone calls from customers who are basically usually assholes. A job I had that I fucking quit because I hated it so much. So, and of course we work from home. So she's working from the home office right now, and she is on break. And she had some time to come see what I'm doing, of course. Nosy. Yes, I'm talking about you.
What'd you say?
Talking about how nosy you are.
Noisy?
Nosy. 14
301 feet altitude.
minutes.
1,059 feet distance. 2 miles per hour. 39% battery.
Ooh, you better turn around.
39% battery. It's almost done. 2 miles an hour means it's windy. It's coming back now.
Where's the chocolate lab?
Oh, I don't know. Look at the front door.
Well, they closed the front door because there were kids playing soccer in front of the house.
Where?
She was barking at them, so I had to close
Right in front?
There she is. Hello, Leah. How was the tour?
300 feet altitude. 1,333 feet distance. 17 miles per hour. 35% battery.
I don't like this cheese.
What cheese?
The Mexican cheese.
You're racist.
I thought it was going to be good.
Everybody's inside in that party across the street.
Oh, cool. Do they have a pool?
Yeah, they got a pool.
I need to make friends with them.
Look.
I had a feeling they had a pool. Oh, wow.
Mission ended.
Is that above ground? It's in ground.
Done.
300
They got a
feet
boat, too?
altitude. 58 feet distance.
They have a
0
business.
miles per hour. 31% battery.
Got a lot of battery left.
I need to make friends with them.
Right.
Swimming.
That's a good time. I think I'll bring it down. Got a lot of battery. I can fuck around a little, but I'm right over the house.
I'm on lunch. He hears it. He's looking up.
How can he not hear it?
He's looking up in the sky.
Is he? Oh, the drone?
Yeah.
Too bad.
300 feet altitude, 56 feet distance, 0 miles per hour, 27% battery. Warning, aircraft battery at 25%.
Ciao.
Warning, aircraft battery at 23%. 49 feet altitude, 4 feet distance, 2 miles per hour, 22% battery.
Well, I landed in the grass. I didn't want to, but that's quite all right.
Warning, aircraft battery at 21%.
Nice flight. Returned home safely. Almost 20 minutes. They want me to rate the app in the middle of a flight. So, with that said, home safe and sound. D-Dub is out.